Woo! Hello there, my name is Ella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making another cake. It's pretty similar to the cake I made last week, but I'm just going to be showing you how to paint leaves and stuff on the cake. Right here I just have one quantity of my chocolate cake batter. I split it into 4 6-inch tins. Here I have some Swiss meringue buttercream. I've just put it in a piping bag so I find that makes it easier for filling the cakes. Here I had some vodka that I'm going to mix with my food coloring to paint the cake, but that's later on, so you don't really need to worry about that right now. And I'm going to be covering it in just white satinized fondant. And I'm going to be rolling out that fondant with this nice rolling pin. Here I just have my small offset spatula, and I'm going to use this for icing the cake. And here I have my bench scraper, and I just use this for smoothing the sides of the cake. Here I just have a small X-Acto knife that I use for trimming the sides of the fondant after I've covered it. By the way, the pattern was inspired by Ivy & Stone Cake Design. She makes the best cakes. I stalk her page all the time. She gives me a lot of inspiration. Let's get started! So the first thing that I'm going to do to make this cake is just put a little bit of buttercream on my cake board, then add my first layer. I'm going to stack it until I get to the top, and then I'm going to put a thin layer of buttercream all around the outside, and this is called the crumb coat. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a few minutes. When I take it out, I'm going to ice it, so I'm just going to pipe some Swiss meringue buttercream around the outside and smooth it down. Then I'm going to roll out my fondant. If you would like to see a more detailed version of how I roll out my fondant, then you can click the link in the description. Next, I'm going to take the colors that I'm using, add a little bit of vodka, like a few drops to each little bowl that you have with different colors. And then I just use my paintbrush, I dip it in the colors, and I just paint on a bunch of little plants and leaves on the top of the cake. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. I'm kind of in love with the final product. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like it if you liked it, subscribe, and comment down below which part is your favorite on this cake. Thanks for watching. Bye!